Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Kiran Kumari. Today we are going to learn about divisibility rules. Is there any uses of learning divisibility rules? Yes, there are many uses. So let us see what are the uses of divisibility rules and what are the divisibility rule of 2, 3, 4, 5, 9 and 10. So let us learn about them. Before that, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if you like this video. You can also get the links of my other math videos in the description. If you have any doubts, you can mail me. I have provided my email address in the description. So let's get started. This is part 1. Part 2 we will be uploading soon. Why should we learn divisibility rules? We should learn divisibility rules for finding the factors quickly. This divisibility rule helps us to find the factors without trying with all the numbers. Example, if I have the number 84, now by just seeing I can tell 84 is divisible by 2. It is also divisible by 3, 4. It's not divisible by 5. How am I able to say these all things? Just because divisibility rules. What is the divisibility rules? If I see the ones place is 4. 4 is divisible by 2. So this number is divisible by 2. How many times I get? In 2 table, I get 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. 42 times I get 84. So yes, it is divisible by 2. Then I also said it is divisible by 3. How many times I may get? 3 2s are 6, 3 8s are 24. So 328 times 84 we get. So it is divisible by 3 also. Then 4. 4 2s are 8, 4 1s are 4. So in 4 table also we get 21 times. But we don't get 84 in 5 table. We get 80, 85 but not 84. The remainder will be 4. So it is not divisible by 5. See, with the help of divisibility rules, we no need to do the division completely and check whether it is divisible or not. By using the rules, simply we can easily identify whether it is divisible or not. If it is divisible, we can find the quotient also. And what is another use of this divisibility rules? If we have any fraction like 234 by 54, now we need to simplify these fractions to their standard form. How will I do? Since I can take 2 table to divide both the numerator and denominator, or I can do one more thing. 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 4, 9, 5 plus 4, 9. So both are 9. So I can divide this number by 3 also in 9. Instead of doing 2, 3 and all, what I will do? Directly I will divide this numerator and denominator by 9 to get the standard form. Whenever we want to do the divisions of large numbers, we can use this divisibility rules and easily we can simplify the given fractions or decimals or any other given number. That is the uses of this divisibility rules. So now let us learn the divisibility rules of 2, 3, 4, 5, 9 and 10. In the next video, I will be teaching you the divisibility rules of 6, 7, 8, 12, 11, 15 and so on, many other numbers. Now here I have a number. How do we read this number? We read as 76,458. Is this number divisible by 2? Yes, it is. If I divide, what will be the quotient I get? 2 3s are 6, 1 will be the remainder. 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 1 will be the remainder and it makes 18, 2 9s are 18. So 38,229 will be the quotient. Now, How can I use the divisibility rule? What is the divisibility rule of 2 is, in the given number, we will check the ones place. And in this number, the ones place is 8. 8 is divisible by 2. Correct? Yes. If we have 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in ones place, then the whole number, the given number is divisible by 2. Since here I have 8 in ones place, so this 76,458 is divisible by 2. If I don't have 24680 in ones place, then we can say that the number is not divisible by 2. Then no, we don't need to check by 2. We can just go to other number. The divisibility rule of 2 is, a number is divisible by 2 if its ones place or unit digit is any one of 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0. Example 75. In 75, which number is in ones place or unit place? It is 5. Now 5 is odd number, right? 5 is not 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. It is not, we don't have 2, 4, 6, 8, 0 in ones place. So what we can say? This number is not divisible by 2. By if we divide also, the remainder will be 1. So which not required. Now let us take one more example. How do we read this number? 5,68,436. Now what we will do? Is this number divisible by 2? Yes, it is divisible by 2. Why? Because the ones place value is 6. So it is divisible by 2. Now here what I will do? I will add all these digits. 5 plus 6 plus 8 plus 4 plus 3 plus 6. What am I doing? I am adding this all given digits. If I add, what is the answer I get? 5 plus 6, 11. 11 plus 8, 19. 19 plus 3, 23. 23 plus 3, 26. 26 plus 6, 32. Now this 32 is divisible by 3 or not? No, 32 is not divisible by 3. So this complete number is not divisible by 3. What is the divisibility rule of 3? We will find the sum of the digits. If the sum is divisible by 3, then the whole number is divisible by 3. If the sum is not divisible by 3, then the given number is not divisible by 3. A number is divisible by 3 only when the sum of its digits are divisible by 3. So let us take another example. Another example is 9,20,001. So what should we do? We should find the sum of its digits. 9 plus 2 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. Is this 12 divisible by 3? Yes. 12 is divisible by 3 4 times. So what we can say? Since the sum is divisible by 3, the given number is divisible by 3. So 9,20,001 is divisible by 3. Divisibility rule of 2, we just check the ones place. If the ones place is having 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, then it is divisible by 2. To check the divisibility rule of 3, what we will do? We will add the digits of the given number. If that sum is equals to is divisible by 3, then the whole number is divisible by 3. If the sum is not divisible by 3, then the whole number is not divisible by 3. Now here I have an example. How do we read this? 5,68,436. Now I have to check whether this number is divisible by 4 or not. So what I will do? I will just check the last two digits of this given number. Last two digits place values are nothing but ones place and tens place. Here the number is 36. Now, do we get 36 in 4 table? Yes, 36 is divisible by 4. 4 nines are 36. So the last two digits 36 is divisible by 4. So what I can say? We can say that the full number, the given number is divisible by 4. So simple, correct? The divisibility rule of 4 is the number is divisible by 4 only when the numbers formed by its last two digits is divisible by 4. The last two digits is nothing but tens place and ones place digits. Now let us see the another example. 20,561, which is the last two place values of the given digits. It is 61. 6 and 1 are the last two digits of the given number. Is 61 divisible by 4? No, 61 is not divisible by 4. So what we can say? The given number 20,561 is not divisible by 4. Now let us check the divisibility rule of 5. Now in this given number, if we see the ones place is 3. Is this 3 divisible by 5? No. We know that in 5 table, what is the ones place we get? 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20. So the ones place is nothing but 5, 0, 5, 0, 5, 0. Just continuously we will get only 5 and zeros. So when we are checking the divisibility rule also, in ones place, the number should have 5 or 0. 5 or 0. If the number is having 5 or 0 in ones place, then only the number is divisible by 5. But in this given number, the ones place is 3. So what we can say? This given number is not divisible by 5. A number is divisible by 5 if its ones or unit digit is 0 or 5. This is divisibility rule of 5. Let us see another example. In this given number, how do we read this number? 57,45,970. In this given number, which number is in ones place? 0 is in ones place. So in divisibility rule, what is the rule actually? If we have 5 or 0 in ones place, the number is divisible. Correct. So here what we can say, the number is divisible by 5 as its ones place is 0. Now let us check the divisibility rule of 9. Here the example is 27,549. If we observe, here we are not checking any ones place or tens place. Here we are going to apply the divisibility rule of 3. But the sum should be equals to 9 because here the divisibility rule is 9. Let us add these numbers. Sum of the given number equals to 2 plus 7 plus 5 plus 4 plus 9. 2 plus 7, 9. 9 plus 5, 14. 14 plus 4, 18. 18 plus 9, 27. Now, is this 27 divisible by 9? Yes, 9 3s are 27. This 27 is divisible by 9. So, what we can say? 27,549 is divisible by 9. A number is divisible by 9 only when the sum of its digits are divisible by 9. Divisibility rule of 9 is same as divisibility rule of 9. One difference we have, all the numbers which are divisible by 9 are divisible by 3. But the numbers divisible by 3 are not divisible by 9. Example, if I take 3, 3 is divisible in 3 table, but 3 is not divisible in 9 table. Correct. But 9 is divisible by 3 table. all the numbers which are divisible by 9 tables are divisible by 3. Now let us see the divisibility rule of 10. The divisibility rule of 10 is very simple. We know 10 table. In 10 table, what is the answers we get? 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 30, 40, 50, etc. All the ones place will be 0. So divisibility rule of 10 also is same. If we have 0 in ones place, the number is divisible by 10. If we don't have 0 in ones place, which means the number is not divisible by 10. In the given question, 44,376, the ones place is 6. 6 is not divisible by 10. So next example, a number is divisible by 10 if its ones or unit digit is 0. This is divisibility rule of 10. Next example, 5,50,790. If we observe this given number, the ones place is 0. So the given number is divisible by 0. So far, what did we learn? We learned the divisibility rules of 2. Let us quickly revise the concept. If we have 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in ones place, the number is divisible by 2. When we add the given digits of the number, if the sum is divisible by 3, then the whole number is divisible by 3. If the last two digits of the given number is divisible by 4, then the whole number is divisible by 4. If we have 0 or 5 in ones place, the number is divisible by 5. If the sum of the given digits are divisible by 9, then the whole number is divisible by 9. If we have 0 in ones place, the given number is divisible by 10. Now this is what we have learned so far, and its uses also. Now let us solve some problems based on the divisibility rules. First one, check whether the following numbers are divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5 and 9. We will also check 10 also. The first question, we need to check by 2. In this one, what are we going to see? We are going to check only the ones place. Ones place is 9. Ones place is 9. It is not divisible by 2. Next, we are going to check by 3. Divisibility rule of 3. What we should do? We should add this given digits. 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 9. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 8, 20. 20 plus 9, 29. Do we get 29 in 3 table? No. So this given number is not divisible by 3. Now divisibility of 4. We will only see the last two digits of the given number. The last two digits are 89. Is 89 divisible by 4? No. So the given number is not divisible by 4. Now 5. When we are checking the divisibility rule of 5, what we are doing? We are just checking the ones place. Here the ones place is not 0, not 5 also. Neither 0 nor 5. So this given number is not divisible by 5. Next we are going to check the divisibility rule of 9. Here again we will find the sum. The sum is 29. 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 9, which is 29. 29 we don't get even in 9 table. So it is not even divisible by 9. Then 10. Here the ones place is not 0. So it is not divisible by 10. So simple. So now let us move to the next question. Next problem, 4,26,852. Now we have to check by divisibility rule of 2. Here the ones place What is the ones place? The ones place digit is 2. 2 is divisible by 2. So what we can say, the whole number 4,26,852 is divisible by 2. Now we have to check the divisibility rule of 3. What we should do for that? Should add all the digits. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 8, 20. 20 plus 5, 25. 25 plus 2, 27. Do we get 27? In 3 table, 3 nines are 27. So the given number is divisible by 3. To check the divisibility rule of 4, we just need to check the last 2 digits, that is 52. 52 is divisible by 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12. So 13 fours are 52. Therefore, the given number is divisible by 4. Then, the ones place is neither 0 nor 5. So, the given number is not divisible by 5. Then 9. 9 again what we will do? We will find the sum of the given digits. The sum of the digits are nothing but 27. 27 we get in 9 table. 9 threes are 27. So, the given number is divisible by 9. Again, the number is not divisible by 10 as the ones place is not 0. This is the divisibility rules. We have solved 2 problems based on the divisibility rules of 2, 3, 4, 5, 9 and 10. The next problem, check whether the first number is divisible by the second number. So here what are we doing? The first number should be divisible by the second number, which means we will check the divisibility rule of 3. If the 33,489 satisfies the divisibility rule of 3, then that becomes the solution of the problem. What should we do? The given number is 33,468. We will add all the digits of the given number. 3 plus 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 6, 16. 16 plus 8, 24. 24 is divisible by 3. 3 8s are 24. Therefore, what we can say, 33,468 is divisible by 3. The first number is divisible by the second number. Now here I have given some practice question. You can check whether these all numbers are divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 9 and 10 or not. If you do these all problems, you will be thorough with the divisibility rules of 2, 3, 4, 5, 9 and 10, so that in the next video we are going to use these divisibility rules to find the divisibility rules of the bigger numbers. For example, using the divisibility rule of 2 and 3, we can form the divisibility rule of 6, 12. Using 3 and 4, we can find the divisibility rule of 12. Using 5 and 9, we can find the divisibility rule of 45. How we are going to do that? You need to subscribe to my channel to get the next video also, and you can check the links of my other videos link which I have given in the description. Do like this video if you have understood the concept which is taught in this video. I hope you enjoyed this video too, and let's meet in the next video. Thank you.